Greetings, scholars, and welcome to English 115 Online. My name is Jessica Posey. Please call me Jetta. I am your professor, and I wanted to take a few minutes just to show you around our course. So as you've probably already guessed, when you log in, it takes you to our homepage. The homepage has a link to the syllabus. It notates the required textbooks. It provides you with some words of advice, my contact information, and also a link to the beginning of the first week. On the top left-hand corner, there are also navigation tabs, so that's another way for you to work around our course. The very first tab is syllabus. So when you click on this, it automatically populates so that you can begin reading it, or you can also download, save, and or print. And I strongly recommend that you use this link and print out your syllabus right away and keep it accessible all semester. The reason for that is because the syllabus lists all of the requirements and expectations, and also lists the grading policy. So if you notice, this course is out of 1,000 points, and that means that you only need 900 to get an A in here. And underneath the grading is also the breakdown of what the assignments are and how much they're worth. So you'll notice that the points possible are listed, and then there's also a column provided for you to write down what your score was on those assignments so that you always know what your grade is at any point in the semester. Towards the end of the syllabus, I have provided you with a detailed course calendar. The course calendar is divided by weeks, so it is all of the work required of you to do within 1 week's worth of time. And I strongly recommend that you work through the assignments in the order that I have them listed. And the reason for that is because some of the things that come earlier in the week are needed skills that you will be put to use later on in the week. So for example, all of this formatting is going to be applied to your first essay that you're going to write. So it's really important that you've reviewed all of that material before you start writing. Another thing to keep in mind about our course calendar is that it lists the textbook readings, which are not embedded on Canvas. So for example, this first week, you have pages 1 through 22 and 35 through 42 in your textbook, Understanding Rhetoric, as well as pages 9 through 15 in the Little Seagull. And you're going to need to read all of that so that you can successfully complete Quiz 1, which is on your textbook assignments. I also made a point to notate next to the quizzes what they're on to make sure that you've adequately prepared before you attempt them. All right, after the syllabus, I'm going to click on modules so that you can see what our week looks like at a glance. So in this first module, you've already clicked Start here. So as you notice at the bottom of the screen, you can click Next or Previous in order to navigate. So I try to start the weeks with a welcome note to show you what's expected of you, and then at the bottom, the objectives. So these are the skills that you're going to learn and accomplish as you work through the material. The Padlet that I have on this page is an interactive wall, and I have the directions here about how to use it. But just so that you are aware, there's this pink circle in the bottom right-hand corner. You click this and a text box appears. So you can type in the text box and post it by clicking off. Once it's posted, you can drag and drop the text box anywhere you want, and you also have the options to edit or to delete it. So this is kind of another fun way for us to interact besides just using the discussion board or email. All right, I think that's all I have for you now. I am really looking forward to an exciting semester of learning and writing with you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. And I hope that you have an excellent summer writing with me.